Hello, my name is Miriam Cordova. I will be your teacher for today. So, hello third graders. The standard I will be using would be recognized shapes and attributes. We will be learning about the different attributes for circles, ovals, triangles, squares, diamonds, rhombuses, parallelograms, rectangles, pentagons, hexagons, heptagons, octagons, nonagon, and decagon. The learning objective is the students will recognize shape attributes by comparing them. Now my question is, which of these shapes are quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means having four sides. The square, the rhombus, and the rectangle all have four sides, but the circle does not. A quadrilateral has four sides. Many different shapes have different sizes, so you have to count the size to know how many sides they have. This is the first attribute that we will be comparing the shapes with, is how many sides a shape has. The next attribute is parallel shapes. Parallel shapes means having two lines that are never ending on each side of the shape. For example, the rectangle has parallel lines, has two pairs of parallel lines. The square has two pairs of parallel lines, and the rhombus does as well. This is an example of a quadrilateral, and the arrows indicate the way that the parallel lines go. The next attribute is square corners. It has a 90-degree angle on each corner. The rectangle has a 90-degree angle on all four corners, and so does the square. As you can see, all of these shapes have four sides and four corners, and they also have two pairs of parallel lines. Okay, now we will review how we compare shapes depend on the number of sides, the number of corners in which they have, and if they're parallel or not. How many parallel lines do they have? For example, a square has four sides, and it also has four corners, and has two pairs of parallel lines. But a triangle has three sides, no square corners, and no parallel lines. This way, we can learn how to identify the shapes more thoroughly. Tomorrow we will learn more about other shapes and what they have in common with squares and quadrilaterals. Also, we will learn about angles and how they are shape attributes that contribute to the comparison.